Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about how you can leverage Facebook ads to drive huge growth for your business. We will tell you about the different types of Facebook ads that can generate a large number of clicks and drive engagement. So make sure to stay with us till the end, as this is going to be an insightful video. Let's get started. Managing Facebook advertising can be challenging, and staying up to date is essential. You have to be well versed with the latest updates that might impact how your ads are shown to your target audiences. New features and layout changes can also have a big impact on your marketing strategy. Here are a few types of ads that you should be using in 2022. Number 1. Engagement ads. Engagement ads are the simplest form of Facebook ads. Use the Facebook ads platform to create an ad campaign with your post on it. This will expose you to a targeted audience who doesn't know you yet, which can lead to higher engagement of the ad that you have created. This ad generally consists of a single image. You can generate more likes, shares, and comments from your target audience through these ad types. Try to make these ads relatable and visually pleasing, because the main aim here is to generate awareness and create a buzz for your brand. You can also include the like button in your ads to increase the number of page likes, thus giving you more reach and engagement. Next comes Instant Experience Ads. Instant Experience Ads refer to full-screen Facebook ads that launch immediately after someone taps on them on their mobile device. It's a unique ad type with which brands can drive larger engagement. It is an engaging and visual ad format that's perfect for highlighting your products, brand, or services. You can use Instant Experience Ads to capture your audience's attention for a longer period of time, tell your brand story, and also add more content to your ad. Try to experiment with Instant Experience Ads by incorporating different content types. Not only can your audience browse through your videos, pictures, carousels, but also tap on buttons to see tagged products and visit links that you will add. So make sure to use this feature efficiently. Next is Collection Ads. Collection ads can be merged with Instant Experience ads to give the target audience a better experience with what they're viewing. Product discovery is made easier with the collection format. It makes it easier for people to discover, browse, and purchase products and services from their phones in an immersive manner. Your collection ad will consist of a featured image or video with several products that appear below it. When someone interacts with your collection ad, an Instant Experience ad will open up that encompasses the majority of their screen. Here, you can enclose a catalog of your products, which the audience can browse through. Through this process, you can drive product discovery for your brand. You can deliver collection ads on multiple platforms like Facebook and Instagram newsfeed and Instagram stories. Next is Carousel Ads. One great thing about carousels is the ability for them to show images or videos, headlines, and calls to action, all in a single ad. A person can scroll through these ads by swiping or clicking on the arrows on their screen. The carousel view can be applied to a range of business types and requirements. We can generally see major e-commerce giants using carousel ads to showcase products tailored to each individual preferences. Carousel ads can be used to explain a step-by-step process, create a large canvas, outline the benefits of a product, storytelling, etc. Next is Video Ads. Video ads are a great way to market your product or services in an effective way to your audience. We won't be surprised if video content hits big in 2022. With the advent of TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, the audience is inclined towards exploring more video content. With video content, you'll be able to portray your brand story, convey clear messages which urge the viewers to take any action, give product demos, and capture your audience's attention very quickly. It's possible to advertise your video using multiple objectives. For example, converting viewers at the top of their funnel. Facebook and Instagram allow you to use different aspect ratios in their video ads. This means that, depending on the placement, the size of the ad can be changed. Next, we will talk about slideshow ads. Are you thinking about making a video ad? And does it feel like it's going to be expensive and time-consuming for you? No worries. Slideshow ads are a great, visually engaging alternative that doesn't require any video production. It's probably one of the most cost-effective ways of grabbing your viewers' attention. Slideshow ads are very beginner-friendly. It uses a series of images and automatically creates transitions to give the illusion of moving pictures. It can also be synchronized with sound or text. And the best part is that you don't need external software to create it. You can leverage Facebook Ads Manager for the same. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out the videos that are appearing on the screen right now. See you in our next video.